Hey folks, Reno here. If you're ever on Second Life and you have just a free account, you don't have any land or anything. So in order to, like when you buy something and unpack it, you usually have to go to somewhere like a sandbox, or if you want to change your clothes or whatever, have to go to like a public sandbox. Uh, and a lot of times there's people around building stuff or just kind of questioning what you're doing and say, hey, what are you working on, blah blah blah. And if you just want some privacy, you can build like your own skybox and then just float it up in the air about 2,000 feet. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's pretty simple. Just takes building a couple of cubes here. We'll just go build, make a cube, and we'll just expand it out. Go to the edit mode, expand it out maybe 10 meters or so. Expand it this way as well. There we go. Now, if you'll notice here, we have if we go into the object mode, we have a position here. Now, we're going to look at the Z position because that's going to make it go up and down. And if we set it to like maybe 21 is the ground level, so if we set it to 25, you'll see it goes up. But the problem is we fall through the floor when we adjust our position. So the way to solve that is just add us another cube. About right there, not dead center, but just kind of on the corner, and link these two together by holding your shift key. Select the box, hold your shift key, select the platform, and then go to link, and this will link both of them together. Now we should be able to go up just by sitting on this cube here. Sit here. Now let's change our position to 25. Okay, that did it. Now to get some real privacy, you want to go about maybe 2,000 feet or more. So I'm just going to change this Z position to 2,010 feet and then hit enter, and voila, you're up there. And you can actually see the one I made earlier. And then you can just stand up, and then you can get to working on your builds or changing clothes or editing your outfit, and hardly anybody is going to notice you up here. And when you're done, you can just delete your box, or you can save your box. I'll just delete it, and then we'll fall to the ground. Delete this other one as well. And then that's it. That's how you can get a little privacy. Thanks for watching.